Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add USDT on Trust Wallet app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Trust Wallet app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Trust Wallet apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a buy option at the middle of this dashboard, which is at the right side of this receive option. So let's tap on that buy, and now you can see there is a tons of cryptos over here. So you need to search for the USDT in the search bar. So once you do that, you can see there is a lots of USDT options, so you can choose any of them, but make sure you choose wisely. So let me choose BNB Smart Chain for now. And now you can see there is a $150 by default, and you can see there is a pay with credit card. So once you tap on it, you can change your payment method by tapping on the credit card, and you can see there is a three options. First one is credit card, another one is Apple Pay, and the last one is a bank transfer. So you can choose any of them according to your preference. Now let's get back, and now once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the buy with credit card, and yeah, you'll be able to add USDT in Trust Wallet successfully once you verify and complete firmware formalities. So basically this is how you can add USDT in Trust Wallet app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.